About bow pose, Dhanurasana. Bow pose, also known as Dhanurasana in Hindi, is a yoga pose. The pose finds its mention in classic yoga texts like the Hatha Yoga Pradipika and the Garanda Samhita, dating back to the medieval period. The word Dhanurasana is derived from two Sanskrit words, dhanu, which means bow, and asana, which means pose. The pose is named after the shape the body takes, resembling a bow when fully formed. It continues to be valued for its physical, mental, and spiritual benefits. Bow pose is a back bend that engages the entire body. In this pose, the body is balanced on the abdomen, and the arms and legs are stretched backward, resembling a bow. Precautions. As with any yoga pose, it's advisable to practice under the guidance of a qualified yoga instructor, especially if you are a beginner or have specific health concerns. Listen to your body, and if you feel any discomfort, ease out of the pose. Individuals with recent abdominal or back surgeries should avoid this pose. Pregnant women should avoid practicing bow pose. People with neck or shoulder injuries should be cautious and may choose to modify the pose. How to do. Lie flat on your stomach with your feet hip-width apart. Place your arms alongside your body, palms facing upward. Bend your knees and bring your heels towards your buttocks. Reach your hands back and hold your ankles with your hands. Inhale and lift your chest and thighs off the ground. Your weight should be on your abdomen. Keep the weight balanced between your abdomen and pelvis. Lift your legs as high as you comfortably can while keeping the pose stable. Hold the pose for a few breaths, breathing deeply. Exhale and gently release the pose, lowering your chest and thighs to the ground. Benefits. Bow pose strengthens the muscles of the back, including the spine and the muscles around it. The pose stimulates the abdominal organs, improving digestion. It opens up the chest, improving lung capacity and respiratory function. Regular practice can contribute to better posture and spinal flexibility. It stretches and opens up the entire front of the body, including the chest, abdomen, and thighs. The pose stimulates the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems, promoting balance.
Dear friends, hello! This video is very important and valuable for your life, so don't forget to like. Tell me in the comments where are you looking at me from? Subscribe the channel if you new. Thanks for watching this video.